Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for viewing. Today we're going to make a highly requested lamb korma. So all we need is 5 to 6 pieces of pre-cooked lamb, 6 teaspoons of coconut flour, 4 teaspoons of sugar, half a pint of base gravy, 3 tablespoons of carnation milk. So anything that's pre-cooked there, like the lamb, they'll be below in the description box for, and a link will be on there for you guys to see. So after this video, if you're unsure how to make it, just go look at the description box, click on the link, and it will show you how to pre-cook the lamb. So yeah, don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, share my videos. Okay, so we're going to first start with a pan. Then we've got our coconut flour here. And we've got our sugar here. And then we have our carnation milk here. It's very important to quickly put the carnation milk so the flour, coconut flour and sugar doesn't actually burn. Then we have our pre-cooked lamb. I'm going to put about 4 pieces because this is a demo, but it's up to you. I mean, you can put 5, you can put 6, you can put 7, 8. Completely up to you how many pieces you want to put in there. Just let the coconut and the sugar just kind of blend in a little bit. So you have your base gravy here, so about half a pint, maybe a little bit less, more of a quarter. Purely because you've got the carnation milk in there, it's already liquidy, not like the other curries. So any creamy sort of curry, they've already got cream and stuff, so you put a little bit less base gravy. And that's it. It's quite thin, as you can see, to start with. That will get more thicker as you cook. So just let it cook. You're going to need a bit of time, for the lamb is quite tough, unless you've just pre-cooked it. Okay, so after a few minutes, the lamb should be cooked. To check that it's cooked, just stab it, and it should be soft. It should just break off. Can you see it's getting thicker as well? It's a lot thicker. If you're still not happy with how thick it is, add a little bit more coconut flour. If it's too thick, opposite, add more base gravy. So sometimes you're letting it bubble, but the lamb's not cooked yet, but the sauce has thickened. In that case, put a bit more base gravy. So that's about a nice thickness for me. The lamb's cooked as well. So it's perfect for me to kind of take down now. So a massive thank you to the University of Portsmouth, Biscoes, TCR, A1 for supporting us. And there you have it, guys. A nice coconutty, creamy lamb korma.